This is the part nobody really talks about. We are surrounded by information all day: PDFs, notes, screenshots, ideas in our phone, things we saved and never went back to. And if you're being honest, it's not that you don't have the information, it's that it's not organized in a way that actually helps you. So everything starts to feel overwhelming. You've got good intentions, but no real system. Now, here's where the shift happens. What if instead of digging through all of that information, you could have something that actually understands it for you? That's what NotebookLM does. It takes your documents, your notes, your PDFs, your ideas, and turns them into an interactive AI assistant that works with you. Not random answers, not guessing, but based on your actual information. So instead of feeling overwhelmed, you finally have something that helps you use what you already have. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your information into something that actually works for you. So let's break this down in the simplest way possible. NotebookLM is an AI-powered notebook created by Google. But don't let that sound technical, because the way it actually works is very practical. You take your own content, your PDFs, your notes, your documents, even things you've written, and you upload them into the notebook. That's it. Now here's what makes it powerful. Instead of just giving you random answers, NotebookLM is grounded in the information you provide. So when you ask it questions, when you need help organizing something or breaking something down, it's working from your actual content first. And yes, it can bring in supporting context when needed, but the foundation is always what you gave it. Not noise, not guesswork, your information. And this is the key concept I want you to really understand. This is your personal AI trained on your information. So instead of trying to keep everything in your head or dig through files and notes, you now have something that can actually think with you based on what you already know. Now let's make this real, because this is where it actually starts to click. Think about your everyday life for a second. Let's say you're trying to plan meals for the week. Instead of guessing, writing random lists, or forgetting what you already have, you can upload a meal plan, recipes, or even past grocery lists into NotebookLM and ask it to create a clean grocery list for you, everything organized, nothing missed. Now think about your bills and finances. You can upload your bills, your budget, your notes, and ask it to break everything down, organize due dates, or even help you see where your money is going. That alone can save you a lot of stress. Or maybe you're learning something new. Instead of rereading the same material over and over, you can upload your notes or documents and ask it to explain things in a simpler way, summarize key points, or even quiz you. Now let's talk about content. If you're creating YouTube videos, social media posts, or any type of content, you can upload your ideas, scripts, or notes and have it help you organize, expand, or structure everything into something usable. And if you're running any kind of business, you can keep your documents, plans, and information all in one place and actually interact with it instead of digging through files. So this isn't just about AI. This is about taking the information you already have and finally making it work for you in your real everyday life. All right, let's walk through this step by step so you can create your first notebook from scratch. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then go to notebooklm.google.com. Once you're there, click New Notebook. Now you're going to name your notebook. Make sure you give it a title that instantly reminds you what it's for. For example, you could name it Meal Planning Assistant or YouTube Content Planner. Something clear and specific so you don't have to guess later. Now, this next step is the most important part. You're going to create your first source. And I want you to be very intentional here. Your first source should clearly explain who you are, why you created this notebook, and what you want it to help you do. Be detailed. The more clarity you give it, the better it will perform. Now, here's exactly how to do that. Go into the notes section inside NotebookLM. Type out your full source document right there. Once you're done, click Convert to Source. Now you've officially trained your notebook on your first piece of information. From here, you can start adding more sources. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, text notes, or even copy and paste content directly into the notebook. You can also add websites and YouTube videos if you need to. Just remember this: The quality of your notebook is going to depend on the quality of your sources. Now, let me quickly show you how the layout works. On the left side, you'll see your sources. In the middle, that's where you chat with the notebook. And on the right side, you can save notes and responses that you want to keep. Now, once everything is set up, you can start interacting with it. But here's the key. Don't just ask random questions, direct it. Tell it exactly what you want. For example, you can say, create a grocery list based on this meal plan, or summarize this document, or even give me step-by-step instructions. You can also say, turn this into a checklist. The more clear you are, the better your results will be. And when you get something useful, save it. Start building your own system inside the notebook. Lists, plans, templates, whatever you need to stay organized. At that point, this becomes more than just a notebook. It becomes a daily tool that you can use for almost anything you want to keep structured and easy to access. Now that you know how to set up your notebook, in the next part, we're going to talk about different ways you can actually use it and how to interact with it to pull out exactly what you need. If this helped you, go ahead and like the video, leave a comment, share it, and subscribe for more. And if you're ready to start using AI in your everyday life, check out the link below. I'll show you how to go even deeper with this.